We need to follow a good systems engineering approach on our project.
What do you mean?
Well, we need to follow a good logical systems approach to get the best design and verification of our project.
And how do you do that?
We can apply the systems engineering V-curve. We define our project at a high-level systems perspective. What is the big picture? And we describe what we want our product to do.
Oh, these are the product requirements.
Right. Then we break our system into separate functional pieces, subsystems.
Okay.
Then we dig into the subsystems and determine the individual pieces of the subsystem, the components.
Okay, so then the system is broken down all the way into individual components.
Right, and we need to decide what the individual components need to do to support the system.
And these are the detailed design requirements.
Right. Once we have these, we can design the individual components that make up the subsystems that make up the system.
And then we test out the system?
Well, we could, but it's best to test more systematically. We start by testing at the component level and making sure these function and perform as expected.
And if they don't?
Well, then we know what we need to fix. If we try to test at the system level, we might have no idea what is not working or where to start debugging.
Okay, that makes sense. Now assume everything works at the component level. Now what?
Then we test at the subsystem level. For example, we might test out a power subsystem to make sure that a charging circuit is properly charging our batteries.
Okay, and then once we have verified that the subsystem is working, we can test at the system level.
That's right. And at the system level, we can assess compliance to our product requirements. Does our solution do what we said we wanted it to?
I get it. And what is this approach called?
It's called the Systems Engineering V-curve.
Is it an A curve?
No, it's a V-curve.
Is it a B curve?
Did you say V?
No, I said B. Is it a B curve?
No, it is a V-curve.
Is it a C curve?
Oh, come on.
Is it a D curve?
Arg.
Is it an E curve? I saw Kevin Hart do this on Saturday Night Live. Tee hee hee.